சிவகுமார் செல்வகுமார் களத்துல சிங்கத்தை யாரும் அந்த கல்ல ரஞ்சித் ரஞ்சித் ஹரி ஜாகிர் விஜயகுமார் தீபக் நான் வந்துருவேனா
I join my principal and others in welcoming you all for this valediction function. Participating in such gathering makes one to travel back in their memory lane and relive the golden moments they had in their college days. It strikes a emotional chord in them. Even after 4 decades of leaving my college, I still, for that matter ever, carry in my heart a deep sense of gratitude towards my teachers who taught me. I am sure the same must be true about the alumni of this great institution who had the good fortune of studying at this beautiful campus. The inanimate objects in this campus, the culverts, the concrete buildings, the trees, the insignificant objects for others, I am sure not for you, will kindle a bout of nostalgia in you and reinforce a sense of bonding and rootedness to your alma mater. I feel it is an apt moment to recall the founding fathers' poignant and powerful vision to serve the society's immediate needs by creating pathways to rewarding careers for the sons and daughters of the rural community. They envisioned to grow thousands of young brains by starting this institution. Otherwise, only some grains would have been grown on this fertile land. The vision furnishes us with a very firm moral foundation. All of us should embrace our institution's roots in a cooperative spirit and contribute our might with a missionary zeal. I call on the entire Sriram community to draw on these roots and we look forward and move forward. The backdrop here we can see depicts a snapshot of an important milestone just crossed by Sriram Engineering College in its journey towards fulfilling the dreams of our founding fathers. The wave of achievements will continue to follow during this journey towards silver, golden and platinum jubilee celebrations. 20 years have passed. The past as a vote, not a veto. Hence, every one of you as stakeholders has a duty to offer your bold and innovative ideas that guide us to steer this college which brings success. With every success, our reputation and visibility will continue to grow. As director placement, I strive to provide 100% placement to our students, but due to the prevailing precarious placement scenario, this remains mostly as an ambition. I believe that no ambition is too tough to wrestle with or too big to realize as long as we work together and important dream together. I request all of you who have a stake in Sriram's future to share its dream and vision and make Sriram not only a place of great learning but also a place where career paths are created. You will be remembered most for providing your juniors, your younger siblings, a much needed hand-holding during the beginning of their search to step into their career paths. Showing the path to employment with your resources and contacts will empower them to become doers and leaders in the due course. Following your footsteps, they in turn will continue this as a tradition, thus fulfilling the vision of our founders. With the spirit of our founders, with the vision of our trustees, the commitment of our alumni, the passion of our faculty members, staff and administrative, and the energy and potential of our students, we will empower the new generation to build a better world. Let us keep the faith in our dreams for Sriram and serve together with joy. Thank you.
An outstanding scientist from Defense Research and Development Organization, he has contributed immensely to develop indigenous battle tech to address the alumni.
Good afternoon to everybody. Like Alumni Association, it is a great pleasure that we have introduced Industry Institute Partnership Cell in our college the first time to bridge between the industry and institute and create the awareness among the students about latest technological development happening in and around industry and Shahpur. This Industry Institution Partnership Cell helps in giving the implant training, industrial visit and project work from the company, provides latest what is happening in the industry. We come to know with the constant interaction with the industries. The cell was inaugurated recently by Director MSME and it is actively engaged in activities. We do arrange guest lectures, seminars. Through HR, we can able to know what is presently required in the industry for which we promote our students to meet the requirement. We also recently got a lot of memorandum of understanding with the various firms with their association. Our staff member and staff students have taken up the project work and problems pertaining to the company, and we are trying to solve the issue amicably with our input. We have also recently interacted with the DRDO, getting a car project for worth of 10 lakhs. We are likely to get at the earliest. With the mechanical engineering students, ME and ME embedded system students, they are going to do this project, and successfully they are going to give the solution to the tank production. If this is true, we are in a position to get 25 lakhs worth of project from the DRDO. This will definitely enrich the students' knowledge, and we can able to do better through that industry institute partnership cell. Lot of alumni have come. They are all in leading position, and I request in this forum, they all should come forward to take our students for various projects, placement work, and also constantly interact with our industry to give a technical involvement and what is happening in today's market, so that our students are also in a better position to meet the market trend. With these few words, I conclude my speech. Thank you very much.
And plans of action for Alumni Association for the year 2014 to 15.
Good evening all. First of all, thank you all for the opportunity given to me. I thank the management for that, and I'm happy to be here. I think most of you would have been here from morning. Felt like a kid in college, so I personally felt that back to college days are there. So even after 13 years after finishing college, looking at the classroom and the campus, it still feels exciting about it, the way we were in when we completed our college. So I'm too happy for that. Thank you for arranging this alumni meet for the management. And I think everyone should feel that if you are standing here in a very good position, the base is of course the college. That too, the undergraduate, wherever you did, I think it's more important that we all feel great for the college, and we wanted to give something back to the college. I think this is the right time we choose to do that. I think everyone here should take a swear that somehow we should come back and do something for the college. Either it be a visit, or it be a seminar, or even sharing your personal experience in the college, visiting the students here once in a while, I think should help them to grow. So we will look forward for more opportunities to get back to college again. I think personally everyone should feel happy to do this, because we are always kids and we love our college. So I thank you for the great opportunity, and once again I'm happy to be here with you all. Thanks a lot.
Alumni Association for the year 2014-15.
Good evening everybody. I thank everyone choosing me as an alumni secretary for Sri Ram Engineering College, and I assure that I will do my best in future. A lot of alumni activities are progress in our college. I like to share a few. First one, the bylaws for our alumni association will be formed before registering the alumni association in a registered forum. Second one, a region-wise alumni meet will be conducted during the year 2014 and 2015. And our own website construction is in progress. Once it's finished, we can able to register our details in online, and a group ID will be created in Facebook, so that we can easily communicate each other. And finally, as an alumni of our college, it's our responsibility to contribute our best for the growth and development of Sri Ram Engineering College and its students. Thank you very much.
Assistant Professor, MBA Department, to read out the winners list. Prizes.
Good evening to one and all. Here I am there to read out the winners list for the Alumni Meet 2013. The winners list